everyone, so today I'm back with another unboxing video for you guys. This again is for the cloth and paper subscription box. It is for the month of October, so I'm just gonna get straight into it and show you guys what's inside. Again, in every box you get one of these. Here in the back it just has some of their information. So this time around they did switch up the sticker. Oh my gosh, whoa! Wow, okay, I don't even know where to start. So here's the first item here, and to me it seems like they are like greeting cards, which I think is really cool. Never really seen that. So, oh, they're actually like postcard type of cards. So you get, let's see, eight cards, which is really nice. Next up is this here. I'll open it up so you guys can see what it is. Oh wow, I thought these were actual, what do you call that? Sticky notes, but they're cards. That's really cool. So one says, a set says inbox, then there's goals and memo. Really nice, and it has little like check little circles on the sides. The one that has goals has 1 through 6. The memo one is blank. So that's really nice. Next is this here, and on the right side it just says Fall Winter 2018 Notes, issue number 1, volume 2, cloth and paper. And I believe these, yep, they are sticky notes. Then we have this here, and I'm assuming it's like a jot pad or notepad. Oh yeah, it is. So, oh, this is really nice. One thing I love about their products, I just wanted to share really quick, is that they have awesome quality. Like every piece that I have, or you know, that came in the boxes or different boxes for each month, each one is just really good quality. So that's just an FYI for you guys if you're wondering, but that's really cool. So there's a notepad that I could put on our desk, so that's perfect. And last but not least is this here, and I'll move the box out of the way. I'm assuming this is a like a fountain pen or calligraphy pen. So let's just open it up, and I love the case. It's clear. Oh wow. So I've never received a pen like this from the company yet, so this is pretty cool. I want to test it out, you guys. I haven't used one of these in a really long time, so bear with me. We're gonna try this out together. Okay, so let me show you the pen really quick up close. So here it is up close. It's a nice like cream color, and there's a little silver or gray little ball here. It's very nice, very smooth. That is pretty cool. I love how this looks like. Okay, so I'm not sure if there's already ink in here, so let's just see. So basically you just twist this piece off. Okay, so there's no ink inside yet. So I'm just gonna take one of these and push it through, and then just twist it back up. So it does take some time for the ink to flow through, but that's definitely expected with these type of pens. So I'm just going to test it out and see how it writes. So just write something random. So let's just start it off. Doesn't take too long. And let's see. We'll just write thanks. So it did skip a little bit, but I guess that's just how I held the pen. But it picks up on ink pretty fast, so that's really nice. So yeah, it looks, I mean, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to hold it upright and see how the ink flows. Okay, so I'll hold it upright this time, and I'll just write 4 in caps. So it writes pretty smooth when I wrote it out like that. And then we'll just write like, let's see. Kind of spacing it out. And again, the flow's pretty cool. So yeah, it's really nice. I mean, I really like how it feels, very lightweight too. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's just something random. I just wanted to share how it writes and everything, but let's try to doodle a little bit. Let's see if that works. Ooh, see, the ink just flows really, really nice. Just add a little decoration just to test it out. And yeah, I love it. There you go. So I don't know if I don't think I mentioned the other parts that came with it. So let me zoom back out really quick. So of course it comes with this piece, and then there's an extra extra ink, and then the converter here as well. So very nice. Super, super cool. I love this. So there you have it, guys, the goodies in the October subscription box. Unfortunately, I did put a hold on my subscription for next month. It's not a permanent thing, just temporary, just because I've decided that I may be starting a new type of planner for next year, and I don't think I'll be needing all of these items, but we'll see. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. So again, if you're interested, I will link their information for you guys in the description box, and go check them out because they're pretty cool. All right, thanks so much for watching. Talk to you in my next one. Bye.